Hello and welcome everyone to my channel. Today we have this great project that we're going to take a look at. A habit trade makes global investment easier. So technology makes trading easier, plus the tools you need to put your money in motion. You can download and sign up and then start your very first investment with Habit. Looking really neat from the start. This is basically how the application looks like on mobile. You can download it straight away with this button here, or you can choose a language from the language selection. You can also open an account with this button in here. So technology trading easier, as mentioned before. So we can maybe take a quick look at investing globally with Habit. So the goal is to make investing in financial markets easier and funnier. They will make it through mobile trading platform that enables investors to access multiple global markets, including NASDAQ, New York Stock Exchange, Hong Kong Stock Exchange, as well as a Singapore Exchange Limited, and so on. So there's quite some markets that we can choose from. Really impressive. Investing in Habit, including individual companies, bundles of investments, or the ETFs, options and features as well. So we have a quick look how the stock markets are looking like. So of course we have the US stock market, there's the UK stock market, A-shares, Hong Kong stocks, Singapore stocks, and also the Australia stocks. So as you can see, they are scattered all over the continent, both Asian, European, but also American and Australian. So yeah, basically they're all over the world, and I'm sure they're going to look forward to expand to probably Africa and South America if needs be. So the reason why I love Habit Trade is basically it introduces a new way to have the cryptocurrency investments, right? So as for now, coin holders can only gain profits by trading coins. If the coin market's not good, for example, and they sell the coins, they still have quite some USDT, right? So what they could do with Habit Trade is to invest in overseas stocks. It is basically just like traditional stock investing, but yeah, with the advantage of using crypto as your currency, because usually you have to buy your fiat currency first, right? For the US stocks, it would be dollars. So you have to invest there with dollars. With Habit Trade, there's no need to do so. You can just do it straight away with your USDT. So why should you actually invest in foreign stocks? Well, this is investing.com charts of the US stocks right there. We have on the top Apple Incorporated, and so that's how it looks like for Apple. We can maybe change the scale to say 1 month. So as you can see, we could get some quite nice profit. It started at 140 at the beginning of the month, $140, and it jumped to 148, and now, and the high was 152. So if you are familiar with investing with cryptocurrencies, then it is super easy to just figure out what kind of happens with the stock market. Of course, the stock market has a bit less risk attached to it. It's not as volatile as the crypto market, and you can still get some quite income and profit from it. We have stocks like Google, so as you can see, if you find the best spot to invest, you can get quite some money. So in the last month, let's say, to compare it, it jumped from 2,723 to almost 300, 3,000. It actually was just shy of $3,000. So that is really great. And we have plenty of stocks, basically all the companies registered in the US, and same thing goes for the UK market, the Australian market, Hong Kong, Singapore. Basically these are all the companies registered in these countries, and we can buy stocks of them super easy, and works quite similar to cryptocurrency trading as well. Yeah, so we can also check out the Tesla stock price. As you can see, this is how the graph looks like. Tesla stocks are quite stable. We can check it out over 1 month. So if you were to invest at the beginning of the month, on the 10th, on the 11th of October, it will cost you to buy one stock $700 $790, we can say $800 maybe, but the high of this month was 1,232, so you already got some income from it if you just buy it at the beginning of the month and sell it later on. That's why a lot of people get really wealthy using the stock market. It is quite an important business nowadays. We also have Coinbase here. Yeah, same thing with Coinbase, and you just need to find the right time to invest, and basically you can get some profit. As in here, the price changed from 245 up to 355 at the most high. And we also have the Roblox Corporation. Yeah, so this is how it looks for Roblox. As you can see, same thing. If you have invested here, $70, all-time high, high of the last month, $109. This is really nice. Why am I mentioning these three companies and Apple as well? Well, it's because you can actually win these stocks for 1 USDT. You can win Tesla stocks, but also Roblox, Apple, Coinbase. So yeah, this is basically what you can get. I will talk about it a bit later. Yeah, and I think now is the best time to get back and carry on. So asset security and reliability is the priority. We have three key features of Habit, why they are so extraordinary. So first of all, strict segregation of client assets. Client assets are held and kept in custody, separated from the broker's own funds, and assets calculations, confirmations, and reconciliations are carried out every trading day. Second of all, client money is strictly monitored. The safety of customers' assets is periodically supervised by regulatory agencies with regular strict review and internal and external audits. Meanwhile, Habit Broker must strictly comply with regulatory requirements and maintain capital adequacy to have good anti-risk capabilities that provides that protects the benefits of the customers. And lastly, the custody is strictly supervised as well. So customers' Hong Kong and US stocks are hosted in cooperative liquidator, and they strictly follow local regulations to protect customers' assets. I would say these three features are really showing the security and reliability of the project, and that is their first priority. This basically is a proof that our money is safe, that our data is safe as well, and yeah, basically our stocks and our investments. This is really important in a project like this. So introducing Habit mobile trading platform is simple, investment and easy operation. The goal is to make investing in financial market easier, funny, and more intuitive than ever before. It doesn't matter that you are not an expert. They will surely help you with it. We can see the app right on the right. This is basically like a screenshot from it, looking really neatly. And we have another screenshot as well. So the first one was saying that it's super simple, and as we can see, yeah, everything is shown right here. We know where everything is. We have the buying, selling, amount, buy on cash, sell on positions, type, price, quantity, everything is right in there. So that is really lovely to see. We're going to take a quick look at the application at the end of the video, just before we finish, but we can take a quick look here about the security, which also is the priority of Habit Trade. So client assets are held and kept in a cooperative liquidator in form of custody, and the safety of funds is subjected to regular strict reviews with internal and external audits. And this is also really important bit. So both Habit Habit is issuing both internal and external audits. Basically, they are taking care of everything inside, but they are also allowing others, other external audits, to basically supervise it and yeah, agree on the security, which is also quite lovely to see, I must say. Yeah, but the technology is the third pillar and the last one that I like to mention. So intelligent trading decision tools, easy to seize investment opportunities, and customize news notifications such as newsletters, stock price reminders, provide you with functions such as valuation analysis, fundamental diagnosis of stocks, and etc. So to help you explore potential bullish stock and determine better trading opportunities for individual stocks. So they have mentioned at the beginning, they don't it doesn't matter if you never traded before, they are basically here to help you with it, to show you some support, which is just really appreciable. If you think about it, we can download the mobile app with this QR code in here and on Android or iOS if you like. But we could say a few words also about the Australian Securities and Investment Commission, because they're playing quite a crucial role in Habit trade. So Habit Securities is a licensed securities broker registered within the Australian Securities and Investment Commission, or the ACIC, with a financial service license number here, which is directly regulated by the ICIS. ISIC is the statutory regulatory authority for Australia's financial services and markets. It independently performs financial supervision functions on the Australian financial system, various financial institutions and professional practitioners in accordance with the law, and has improved the operational efficiency and the service level of all ACIC stakeholders. This is basically what provides security in a great deal. We are on the bottom of the page now. So lastly, I would just like to mention, of course, the Twitter account, which will basically help you stay updated about everything. Same thing with the Facebook. So definitely worth checking it out, giving them a follow. Yeah, just to stay updated about everything happening with Habit Trade. But we are on the top now again. Here we have the application details, and so we can download it straight away. But I thought it would be a nice part to just say a few words and show you the application in general. Yeah, so we are basically now on the app. As you can see just under watch list, we have two different stocks. We have the US and Hong Kong that we can choose from, two different stock markets. And here we have all the stocks with Amazon, Tencent, Microsoft, Meituan, Baba, Apple and Tesla, with the price and the change in the percent in the last, I presume it's 24 hours, but you can change it as well. So if you click on the bottom right at me and you just click sign up or sign in, you put in your email address and a password if you're already registered. If not, just click the sign up button, fill in the details with email, the verification code and the password, and after that you just click sign up. It looks quite straightforward. The only thing that you have to bear in mind, you need these three things for your account: the passport, proof of address, and an email. So yeah, that's basically this level of verification. After that, you just sign in to your trade account. So you put your trade account number as well with the trade password, and that is basically everything that you need to do. Once you have put your trade password, you will be able to sign in. And here is how the dashboard looks like. It's super simple, super intuitive. Total assets are shown here in market value, available funds. Of course, there's nothing on my account just yet, but if you look just lower, we have the deposit that we can just click, and here we can change the chain name, but no need to do that. Deposit amount, the minimum is 100 USDT, and after that it will give you the expected receiving amount, and you can copy the address to send your funds there that you would like to deposit. There's also the Hong Kong trading market with Hong Kong cash amount being shown as well. But this is basically how it looks like. We can take a look at the trade, what you would like to buy, the quantity, the price of it, the amount, and maximum buy and maximum sell, so you can all adjust that however you like. So yeah, super simple to use. Yeah, so as you can see, everything is super simple, super neat. Yeah, but the last thing I would actually like to talk with you about is this really great promotion where you can basically win Tesla stocks. So Habit Trade is going to launch a promotion where for 1 USDT you can win the Tesla stock on Christmas. And as you know, Tesla stocks has a really high price, as we can see, 1000 over 1000 USD at the moment. So you could join in by simply scanning the QR code right in here, and I will of course post all the necessary links in the description. Yeah, but basically this is everything I wanted to show you today about habit trade. So I hope you enjoyed the video, that you liked habit trade as much as I did. Honestly, it really looks like everything is super simple and super secure when it comes to investing in stocks, and the variety and range of stocks is definitely impressive. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.